Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to shop for fashion Black Friday sales deals on Shein. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to shop Shein's Black Friday sale like a pro, first what you need to do is download the app from your app store. Then once you have downloaded the app, simply tap on the app and then be sure to be logged into your account if you already have one, or create a Shein account early and add your shipping and payment info. Then once that's done, next is to start building your wish list before sale. Simply head over to your home screen of the sale. Then you can also simply tap on flash sale right here, and now all you gotta do is select the product and then add to your cart. You can see there is 23% off as well. Then add your favorite items to your wish list ahead of Black Friday. Once the sale begins, go through your wish list first. You'll be ready to snag things the moment price drops or limited quantity item offers. Then Shein also offers early access deals in the run-up to Black Friday, not just on the day. These early deals can include up to 90% off on many items. Use this window to capture doorbuster type fashion items or essentials before the major rush. Now next is to stack discounts smartly. So to do it, simply head over to the stackable savings like sale markdowns or coupon codes or reward coins or points, and look for tried promo codes and use community or set coupon codes as well. Then during the Black Friday event, Shein offer runs flash sale and that refresh every few hours. These are limited time items with very deep discounts. Check them frequently. Also watch for bundle deals, buy more, save more in fashion categories. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.